Listen.
Stop hurting her!
The soother came out, and so the pacifier came out, so she was,
Can you pick her up a little bit?
what do you call it?
Just hold her up a foot.
No, she's not. I just fed her.
Hold her up a foot?
Like, yeah.
I just fed her. She was
That's there.
fine.
Yeah, perfect.
It just fell out, Mom, and she was like,
Hi.
where did it go?
Hi.
No, she can, but she's just comfortable. Like, it's me with my Ninana when I was little. I do. Christopher shares. He's making me share it.
Can't be greedy.
He says you can't be greedy.
Here.
So that. Got that on video. Eyes wide open.
We fed her this morning at like 9 something-ish. Like, I just lie down, and then she's laid down right next to me, and then I just flop out my boob, and she just has that. Yeah, I think
Just hanging out. Just hanging around.
a little bit. I'm going to be here. They're going to go to Gyro and check things out. They're going to drive around, and before we leave, they're going to be gone for a little bit, and I'm going to just probably prepare the table and get her bath ready.
Got the bath there yet?
We're going to. You gonna video it?
Oh, everything's okay as long
Is
as
that
I
a
take
red
the
mark?
medicine
Is that
on
where
time.
she scratched
Scratched
her?
herself,
Taking it
yeah.
on time, it feels like
She just did this one this morning. These ones.
Like I really feel like
They're real sharp.
painful.
She's got long.
But if I take
Nails
the
are
medicine
sharp.
on
She's
time,
got a.
you can't
She's
even-
gonna file them.
I don't even notice that I'm
Well, she wants to go to
recovering.
sleep.
I mean, it's sore, but it's not unbearable. I'm peeing a lot, though. I'm peeing a lot, and there's a lot of fluid. Yeah, leaving my body, so it's nice. And my tummy's shrinking, like, substantially every day, so. Like, I can wear
Take a
regular
picture of
pants
her
today,
toes.
so.
Like her
Well, it's
toes.
stretchy pants. It's stretchy pants, but still, like, I wasn't able to wear normal pants in a really long time, so. It's nice. Oh yeah, everything's good.
Look at them.
Oh, and I'm in good spirits. too,
Yoga
like,
toes.
There's no, I'm not grumpy or anything. Because there's nothing to be grumpy about. Yeah, I know. We're gonna meet with the family doctor tomorrow to
I'm gonna eat her toes. Watch.
She has these two little dots on the back of her head, and I don't know what they are. I don't know. There's two little dots. I don't know. They look. I think they just have to be washed off. I think they might be scabs or, from the labor. But because they look like little bloody spots. But I don't know. So I'm gonna have them look at my little paranoid.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, and we're just gonna meet with them. Gabriel. Dr. Storm, he's our family doctor, Christopher and I. Not the OBGYN, that's 6 weeks. So, luckily, it's all done. We have our car seats and everything. It's just exciting. Yeah, she's really fun. Yeah. Give her a bath. Later on tonight. Yeah. Okay, that means we're still in town. So we'll just give you a call when we get home. Because we're not going to rush. We're going to take it slow because we have a baby, right? Yeah. Love you too. My mom says love you guys.
Love ya.
Love
She
ya.
says love you too. She says kiss the baby for me, Kathy. Kiss the baby. Okay. Alright, see you, Mom. Bye. So, yeah, you guys are definitely not annoying. My parents call like